Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'll be showing you the ways to create your Tinder account. In order to create a Tinder account, all you have to do is just watch this video till the end. The first thing is you have to install the application. For that, head over to your Play Store and then on the search box, you have to type in Tinder and tap the install button in order to install it. Now, due to some security concern, the interface won't appear, so I'm going to use a web browser. Either way, the procedure is going to remain the same. So for that, open up a browser and type in tinder.com, and that's going to directly take you to their official web page, which is going to look something like this. So after you type in the official link, it's going to take you to the interface something like this. Here, go ahead and tap on create account. After that, it's going to ask you whether you want to go with the Google account, log in with your Facebook, or log in with a phone number. So you can just go ahead and select either one of it. I'm going to go with the phone number, so I'm going to type in the phone number. Now you have to enter in the verification code that's going to be sent to the following phone number. Here you can see this is the verification code. Now I'm going to just go ahead and type in the one. Once done entering the following verification, now tap on continue and make sure to allow all of these necessary details. And here it's going to ask you to enter in or type in the phone email address. Then go ahead and enter in the email address for more contact details and click the continue button. Now once again, it's going to ask you to verify your email address. So for that, a verification code will be sent. So here you can see that I've received the verification code. Go ahead and click on confirm email. Now it's going to ask you to go through the terms and condition or FAQ section, so you can just press on remind me later, and now you can see that you've successfully created your Tinder account. So that's basically how you can create your Tinder account. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.